Assalamu alaikum. This is Sabir Ahmed. Today I going to describe a picture. This is a picture. I can see that this is a picture in the park. Two children playing top of the tree. One boy is wearing a yellow T-shirt and blue pant. Beside one girl wearing pink color jacket and blue pant. In front of the girl, a boy is holding his dog. In front of the boy, one girl is skating. Behind this girl, one bench, one grandmother sitting on the bench and his grandson. He's reading a book. He is wearing pink color blazer. Behind of them, one boy is holding a bench. He is wearing red color jacket and yellow color pant, pink color shoes. Thanks watching for me.